Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 5 times x plus 24 equals 15 times x minus 86. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 15 times x. To collect the x terms on one side, subtract 15 times x from both sides. That gives negative 10 times x plus 24 equals negative 86. The plus 24 keeps 10 times x from standing alone. Subtract 24 from both sides to remove it. That gives negative 10 times x equals negative 110. Negative 10 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by negative 10. Quick check, substitute 11 for x. Both sides equal 79, so the equation balances. So, x equals 11.